Hello everyone, this is Rahul from Opus. Here we are going to draw a hand holding a pen or a pencil. So basically we need to draw the gestures and also how the fingers intertwines with the pencil or the pen, which looks more like a thin cylinder, and how it is used to write. So basically the question asks for the uh, how the finger is interacts with that uh, pencil or pen. Okay, so first we will start with the angle of the pencil. So suppose if we start like this. Okay, because that is the base on which we are going to make the rest of the drawing. So drawing the pencil first is very important. Okay, because that gives you the overall idea where the hand shall come. Now after that you can start making the rough uh, structure, a block, or what we say as the block, on which gives the impression of how the finger is intertwined with this structure. So always remember, when you block it up, it gives you an added confidence or an added idea of how and your drawing is going to look like. Okay, so now you see that we have uh, some amount of idea of how the hand is going to look like. Then you can give rough uh, indication of how this is going to, how the fingers are, by giving only volume and not about any other details. So these are the areas and how this can form the basic basis of drawing the hand holding the pencil. So the lines which are not required can be erased, and from here we can mark the thumb which goes along like this, and then you can give some of indication of, like there is a paper. After this you reach this stage, then you can go for the finger general other details, like the folding of the uh, muscles of the fingers, and also the nails. So suppose if this is a female hand, then you can give the details of the nails that can go well. So after that, in this kind of drawing, you can always make the pencil look little bit darker, because that is the main structure on which the uh, finger is holding upon. So that will create some added emphasis on your drawing. Okay, and this, then you can give rough strokes to indicate the thickness or the general structure of the hands and the fingers to bring out its volume. So now you see the general structure and the other details of the can be easily made now, and it is slowly coming out. After that, to give the drawings structure of the hand a little more clarity, you can add the shade on the like it is lying on the paper. And thus you create a drawing which is about holding a pencil, and you represent the proper gestures of the hand. So thus we have the solution to the question and an accurate drawing that would help you in practice. So keep practicing like this. Thank you.